Hello and welcome to the first in a series of video tutorials for Paramics Discovery 20. My name's Malcolm, and in this tutorial we're going to be looking at a new feature which is about giving way to oncoming traffic. So I've got a really simple model here that we're going to use to demonstrate this new feature. It's just a straight road with 1,000 vehicles traveling in each direction per hour. So if we watch that, we can see the traffic being loaded onto the network, and there's lots of vehicles going in both directions. So what we're going to be able to do is observe what happens when we set one of these streams of traffic to give way to the other. So to do that, I'll go back to the Edit Network tab, and I'm going to hone in on the center of the model at node 3. And this is the point of the network where we're representing a narrowing. It might be a one-lane bridge, or it might be that the street just is narrow and is only able to accommodate one stream of traffic at a time. So just moving the curbs in to represent that narrowing as it might appear on the street. I'm also going to edit the lane points. So if I move these two lane points in towards the center, so those are the ones that are exiting the link, and I'm going to move the two lane points that are approaching the link just away from the center. And this is the point where vehicles will essentially give way if they see other traffic coming. Now I'll change the angle of that just to make it a little bit more realistic. So that's the curbs and the lane points set up. And the final thing that I need to do is set a property on the link. So I can choose either of the links approaching this node, go to Properties, and toggle on this new option called Give Way to Oncoming Traffic. So what that means is that the vehicles that are approaching from the right-hand side in this model will give way to those vehicles coming from the left. So let's watch it and see what happens. Okay, we've got some traffic loaded on the network, and we can see those vehicles coming from the right-hand side are stopping, and they're giving way to vehicles coming from the left. And it's only when there's a large enough gap that they will proceed themselves, and there's a queue forming as a result. So that's one of the new features in Paramics Discovery 20. We're going to have a series of video tutorials in the next few weeks prior to the launch of Paramics Discovery in June. Thank you very much for watching.